Thank you for choosing Borroughs. Follow these basic steps to assemble your new Borroughs Workbench. Step 1. Lay bench top upside down on a flat surface. Step 2. Insert leg attachment channel into bench top with the open area of channel facing upward. Position attachment channel so that the holes in the end flanges are in line with the oval and first hole in the front and back flanges of the bench top. Fasten channel to bench top. Repeat procedure at the other end. Step 3. Stand leg in place inside attachment channel. Position leg so that holes in the sides of the leg are in line with the holes in the sides of the attachment channel. Loosely fasten leg and channel together. Repeat procedure at the other end. Step 4. Attach the stringer to the legs along the back edges of bench. You should see the Borroughs stamp on the front edge of the bench. Position stringer so that the holes in the end of the stringer are in line with the holes in the leg. Fasten stringer to leg. Repeat procedure at the other end. Step 5. Tighten screws holding legs and attachment channels together. Step 6. Insert adjustable foot into leg so that the holes in the sides of the foot are aligned with the holes in the sides of the leg. At the desired height, fasten foot to leg. Repeat procedure for the other legs. Step 7. Insert leg leveler into adjustable foot. Align hole and fasten together. Repeat procedure for other leg levelers. To finish, put bench back in upright position. If you still have more questions or want to check out any accessories, visit our website at borroughs.com.